All right, guys, here we go. Here's the second video on AMD Advanced Macro Devices. 2-minute chart, every candle is 2 minutes price action. And price finally caught up with the 20, but it's been dancing around it. We haven't had any follow through to the upside. The last one, two, three, going on 4 candles have closed above the 20, even though you came down under it. So we're going to see if we get a candle. Um, Close above all this consolidation across there, sideways price consolidation. Basically, we just haven't been able to really lift up and out of here. So with that said, if we get a green candle that closes up here inside these wicks, in other words, over that blue dash line, we'll go long. And if we get a nice candle close like well, at least where it is now, the lower the better, under the 20. And the reason why we're using this 2-minute chart just gives you more. Let's see if this pushes up, then rolls back under. Or if it goes red, well, yeah, we'll go ahead and hit it. But yeah, now we're under the 20. 20 is pushing to the upside. We're under it. Um, we'll see where we go. Then our stop loss will be any close above, actually, if we any close above that current candle we're in, then we'd already set up our resistance zone if we had gotten in down here. Because high pivot here, resistance, rollover, right here, support, for a couple of candles, then broke it, tested. So anyway, that's where we were going to get out. Right here, it's going to be support or a target. Because as we talked about earlier, all this from here up to that candle, this whole box is a gap fill area. Pull this in so you can see it. But another note, see right through here, kind of holding everything. Now we did close above it, but we didn't get any follow through, obviously. Right here, closed under that line. And there's your follow through candle, at least for right now. So I'm looking to see. Oh, I don't like that. Okay. All right, there we go. There we go. We just took out all of our profit there, but I'm going to keep holding here. But we haven't closed above the blue dash line. And now that 20 could be, when I say could be, if it defeats, well, see, if it defeats this current candle, it could be resistance. Okay. I was looking over here. I was looking for, I had SPY on here. Oh, there it is, SP. Okay, see, we're getting a little bit of a pullback. I mean, we're green for the day on the SP 500, but it's like we're putting in a little sell-off candle here. And if we do and roll over, that'll help um, or move over here. That's what I was comparing it to. As you see that drive up, see, that was that drive up, and now it's fading out. It should look like this over here. And I closed a little too high for my comfort zone. Hey, this video's going about 5 minutes. People like them short and sweet, so I'm getting ready to bail out of this thing. Basically, we're just like kind of consolidating it, add a little push to the upside because the general markets did as well. If I'm pull this thing up here so I don't have to keep doing that all the time. Get the spy. Oh, okay, that's looking good. Sell off. Maybe we'll pull back here with some force. And D, see, there we go. Then we can drag it down here to that blue dash line at the bottom. Take that off. That's what we want right there. But see, this is what we were working off of. I mean, right through here, this low pivot area, this zone, that zone, and then we came under it. Oh man, I should have got out down there. I was blabbing. Now we're real close, but it's kind of like the ropes in a boxing ring. I mean, they can kind of give like that. It's really a zone, and who knows, that might have been good enough for government works. Uh, Didn't get out of there yeah, it was a little over 5. So not too bad. But yeah, remember those stop losses. Remember the setups. You got to be able to name it, identify it. If you can't name um, the setup, you can't identify the setup, then you probably shouldn't be trading it. Okay, you just can't go on a feeling, an assumption, or something you read on Reddit or X, okay, to get in. If you can name and identify it and add, two factors, two reasons to back up your thesis that an asset's going to go lower or higher, then you have, higher odds, higher probability that it's going to work out in your favor. Okay. All right, guys, have a great day, have a great weekend, and we will see you on the charts.